people say New Yorkers are rude. You be the judge. Watch this. Let's find out why.
Excuse me, can you move on the right side, please?
In New York City, most people use escalator like a freeway.
Remember, keep right.
Excuse us? Let us out first so you can get in. Excuse me, can you get up please so we can sit?
Excuse me? Can you move your feet away?
If you go to New York City, go with the flow, be considerate, don't trigger someone to be rude.